Heather, where are we going this morning?
Good morning, everybody. On this miserable day, we are going up past Reading to see a Luton van. It's the first one that we've gone to see, and hopefully me and Yan will be driving home later in 2 cars, or 1 car and 1 van. That'll be very exciting. And if not, well, we started looking officially. Yeah, super exciting. But it is a proper winter's day here today. Officially, winter has arrived.
She must have said nothing. Winter is coming.
No, it's not coming, it's here. It's here. Look. Okay, so we've arrived. This is the lovely Luton behind me. We have just had a look around. We've just been for a test drive, and Yan is just inside signing the paperwork. She is massive. Nice tall roof. That's going to be our bedroom up there, and we'll give you a full tour when we get back. Oh, but it's so exciting!
Would you like some stuff moving out your house or what? I got a moving van, I have.
Look at her go! Bloody massive.
Woo! So we have our Luton van. This is the first time, not the first time I've driven a Luton van, but the first time me driving this. It is in pretty good nick. I'm actually quite surprised, to be fair. For an 06, she's not done that many miles, so she's only done 130,000, yeah, 130,000 miles. So we're looking pretty good. Not too much rust underneath. It looks like someone's been under and kind of sprayed her all up before. So I think that's good. There's only a couple of places of damp in the back where the kind of water's coming through on some of the ply boards, but not actually leaking through the roof anywhere, which again is good. That was the spare tyre rattling around in the back, I just realised. It's actually very easy to drive. So nice, you're like sat super upright, you've got this big massive steering wheel, feel like you're driving, well, a lorry I suppose. Like in a big American truck driving around like this. It's going to be super awesome. The only issue I think is we're going to have this bloody window back here in the way of us having a cut through, so we're going to have to take this window out, take this double seat out, we've got a nice big double seat, take the double seat out, put a single in for Heather, and then have a cut through into the back so that we can get into the cab from here. Other than that, she is all singing, all dancing, and it even came with 3/4 of a tank. I'm excited. This is cool.
Okay, so I actually haven't seen this Luton parked on our drive yet. When we were driving home earlier, I had to quickly pop in, get ready for work, go straight to work because it's a Monday. And now in my driveway, we need to come up with a name for her. If anyone's got any name suggestions, drop them in the comments. It's a Luton, so it's got to be like Lexi the Luton or Levi the Luton. I think she's gonna be a girl. It's a girl's name. Oh wow. Oh my god. So that is our old van, and this is our new van. It looks like it's double the size. Not that much wider, but she's massive. And long. Oh my god, I thought Big Red was long. It's very exciting though. I cannot wait to get all up in here and start building me a home. Oh my god. I haven't actually seen Yan yet since I've got home. We bought a Luton van! That's so exciting! Oh honey! I'm home! Guess what?
What, darling?
We bought a Luton van.
Yes, we did indeed.
And you're really yellow. Look like a Simpson.
I'm really yellow.
Yeah.
Why? I'm not ill, am I?
No. Butt face. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what, butt face? We've got a Luton van. Yes, you're going to live there too. It's going to be your new home. And you can sit on the sofa. You're not allowed in the bed though. You're too hairy. You have your own bed. You like the Luton van? You like the Luton van? Oh no. I was trying to eat the mic. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Sound like you've got something important to say.
We bought a Luton van. You're so stupid. Did buy a Luton van though, didn't we? Really do. Bought one. Don't know how good it is. No. Hopefully it's good.
We're going to see Tom next weekend and he's going to tell us if we've made a terrible decision or if it's workable. Hoping for the latter. We've got a long road ahead of us, metaphorically and in real life.
Oh yeah, we're going to do
a big road trip, but also lots
going to
of
do
work.
the whole of the UK because why not?
And then all of Europe, and then the Pan American Highway, and then driving all the way from the bottom of Africa to Asia.
She's like, yes, woohoo, just with our magic money.
I've got a few ambitious plans, okay? It's very exciting. Yeah, we'll keep you up to date on the next series of the Luton.
The next episode.
Give us some names.
Of Laura the Luton. Maybe.
No, not Laura.
Okay, well give us some names then because we can't decide.
Okay, bye.
Boo.
Next time we are going to give you a full tutorial on how we use SketchUp to design the inside of our van. If you want to know how to do it yourself, don't miss out.